Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the step-by-step process to join the Venom Testnet. If you're eager to get involved in this amazing blockchain project, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we guide you through the entire setup process. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, let's quickly understand what Venom Testnet is all about. Host, gesturing towards visuals, Venom Testnet is a revolutionary blockchain project that aims to provide a scalable and highly secure network for decentralized applications. It offers developers a testing ground to experiment and build cutting-edge solutions without worrying about disrupting the main network. Joining the Venom Testnet has numerous benefits. Here are just a few highlights. Increased security. With Venom Testnet, your application is secured by the latest cryptographic algorithms and advanced consensus mechanisms, ensuring a robust and reliable network. Realistic testing environment. Unlike other testnets, Venom Testnet replicates the exact conditions of the main network, allowing developers to validate their applications under real-world scenarios. Early adoption opportunities. By joining Venom Testnet, you gain early access to the platform and get a head start in building your decentralized applications before the official launch. Now that we're aware of the advantages, let's walk through the step-by-step process of joining Venom Testnet. Step 1. Prerequisites and account setup. Display visuals explaining the prerequisites such as a computer, internet connection, and compatible browser. Host advises viewers to create an account on the Venom Testnet website by visiting www.venomtestnet.com/signup. Encourage viewers to complete the necessary verifications for a seamless experience. Step 2. Download Venom Testnet client. Host guides viewers on where to download the Venom Testnet client from the official website. Emphasize the importance of downloading from the official source to avoid potential security risks. Step 3. Install and configure Venom Testnet client. Demonstrate how to install the Venom Testnet client on different operating systems, such as Windows, macOS, and Linux. Show the process of configuring the client, including setting up a secure password and wallet details. Step 4. Connect to Venom Testnet. Explain how to connect the client to the Venom Testnet network by using the provided connection details. Highlight the importance of selecting the correct network to avoid connecting to mainnet accidentally. Step 5. Start exploring and testing. Encourage viewers to explore the various features and functionalities of the Venom Testnet. Mention available documentation, tutorials, and community support for assistance during the testing phase. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, we're here to help.